Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In this video I'm going to show you I can reset or reboot a Renault multimedia system. We had some problems with the lagging multimedia system. If you have any problems with your multimedia like lagging or freezing or a black screen, then you can try this. It helped me, so I wanted to share it with you. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Surface Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, just press the screen on. Then we have an on button over here. Press and hold it till the screen gets black. Takes about 10 seconds, then you can release it. So what it does is it restarts the infotainment system. If there are any issues with the navigation, with your audio, with any system included in the infotainment system, this might help. It sure can't harm your system. And wait for this counter to count down till 0, then the system reset has been done. There is also another system reset, the reboot, the complete system, but that will change all your settings back to the original factory settings. You can find it over here. Try it, but I won't recommend that because it will also change your language and your personal infotainment system settings like navigation and Bluetooth. That was it for this video. I hope this helped you resetting your infotainment system on your Renault, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.